In this video today, I'm going to practically show you how you can create a beautiful YouTube channel art with your mobile phone like a pro. Hello and thank you so much for watching. I am Ijaparigang, the mom on point. I'm an author, a public speaker, a writer, and an online business coach. I help people to convert their knowledge into profitable business on the internet. So if you want to take your business to the next level, don't forget to click the subscribe button and hit the bell sign so that you get latest notification on our videos. So today the app I'm going to be using here is Canva. So if you don't have Canva, kindly go to your Play Store and download Canva. If you have been following me closely, you will discover that I used to do a lot of things with Canva. And if you have any question concerning this video or any other thing that you want me to talk about, kindly ask in the comment section of this video so that I will attend to you. I have a personal and one-on-one relationship, close relationship with all my followers on YouTube. So feel free to ask questions. So today we are going to be learning how to make YouTube channel art, because channel art is another beautiful thing that we bring more subscribers to your channel, especially as a starter. Adding channel art on your YouTube channel will make you look more professional. So here I will check for channel. I'll just type channel and YouTube channel art. It has come up. So I'll click YouTube channel art. There are a lot of free templates. Like this one is free, this one is paid, this one is free. So it depends on what you really want to create, something that will go in line with what you are doing. Like as a designer, I can pick any template and create it and make it to anything I want. So there are a lot of things you can do with YouTube channel art. So like, I don't waste much of our time. I'll just pick this one that is free. All right, like I'll click on edit. I'll tap on edit. I hope you are viewing my screen. Yes, it will take a few seconds to come up. It's coming up right now, so that I will be able to edit it and make it my own. I can change just about anything here. So anything I want to change, I will tap on it. Let's say I don't even want this, I will remove it. Or if I want to edit it and write something else, like I can just put Ijapari, then Ijapari gang. All right. So what I've written here, I can adjust it so that it will fit in here. I can also add another text if I want to. So anything I want to add, I will tap this plus sign here. If you are seeing it, this plus sign. Once I add it, I can add just about anything I want. All right, I want to add text because I don't want to write just my name. Maybe here I can add I'll tap to edit. You always take note of where your mouse is, where your if you want to type, let me say if I want to edit this, enter your text, that's where I'll tap. So that I'll remove this and put in whatever I want to. Maybe I can now add auto. Speaker, and coach. All right, so let's say I want to add my picture to it. I can click on this plus sign to add, or I can click on this gallery to add, or I can simply scroll down to pick any picture of my choice from my gallery. Any picture that I want to use, I can come down here and scroll it to pick any picture of my choice. So I want to check if I have a personal picture. I don't know where all my single personal pictures are. Okay, let's assume I just want to add this picture right here. Have you seen? It's already showing in the background. So if I want to add any other thing, I can also add. I can tap this. If I want to add an illustration, I want to add that I do other things like or they can connect with me on Facebook, Instagram, or whatsoever. I will click on this illustration here. I'll tap. Let's say I want to add Facebook logo. Facebook. I'll search. All right, here is Facebook. So I can add. Sorry, I'm supposed to move it. I don't know what. All right, here is it. So I'll adjust it. I don't know why this is misbehaving right now. Oh, let me just remove this. So if I want to remove whatever I'm doing here, I can decide to delete it after highlighting it. If I click on this delete, it has gone. If I click on delete, it has gone. Let me try again. I don't want to edit this particular video, so that you will know that anything can happen. All right. All right, here is it. So let's say I want to add another logo. Maybe I want to add Instagram. I'll still click on illustration and type here and search for Instagram. I'll click on search. All right, here is Instagram. I can as well adjust it. So if I want to add YouTube, so if I don't want this here and still it, I can adjust it. I can adjust it. Maybe if I'm not okay with the color, I can change the color to suit my design. I can shift it to another angle. I can bring down the writing here. So I just want you to know that you can do just about anything with this Canva. If you take your time, you can go through it. You can do a lot of things. If I want to add another of my picture, I can also add picture. If I want to add color, if I want to change the font of this writing, I can change the font to whatever I want to. I can click here now. You see that it has changed. Then if I want to resize it, I can resize it. If I want to change the color, I can still change the color. So you can do just about anything with it. You can add as many illustrations as you want. You can add your custom thumbnail. You can just add a custom thumbnail of one or two of your video before. You can do just about anything with it. So just take your time and go through it very well. So once I'm done, I'll click on download and it will automatically download to my gallery. So all right, now that we have successfully downloaded our YouTube channel art, the next thing we need to do is to go straight to our channel. So I always encourage that you use Google Chrome. It's always better, especially if you are using mobile phone, because you are limited to what you can do on a YouTube app on a mobile phone. But if you are using Google Chrome, you can actually make use of almost everything you want to do as if you are using a laptop. So here it is. Let's say this is my channel. So if your channel is new, I'm sure maybe all these places you are just seeing blank. So how do you upload your YouTube channel art? So when you come here, if you just type anything and somewhere around, you will see this pen sign. So when you click on at it, it's asking me to edit channel art, or if you have never uploaded anyone, to ask you to upload. So by the time you click, you will now pick the particular picture that you have created and you upload. And then if this as you are seeing this one is not part of the YouTube channel art. So this one is a video, is a picture that I uploaded on my Google. So if your on here is showing blank, all you need to do, if you tap that blank space, you see this pen sign. By the time you click on it, it will ask you to update. Here is it. It's saying your channel icon comes from your YouTube Google. Changes may take a few minutes. So I'll click on edit and add it. Just as I said earlier, I added my own from Google. So my Google, that's why if you just Google my name, my pictures are everywhere. So in case you did not add your own from Google, anybody that did not add from Google, that's where you see this place is blank. But you mustn't add it from Google. All you need to do is come and tap this place, and then let me cancel it. Just tap this place and you see this pen sign, and by the time you click on it, it will take you to ask you where you want to upload the picture from. Maybe you just go to your gallery and pick a particular picture and upload, and that is how you beautify your channel art. So, and in case, mostly sometimes, even when you use Canva or you use other site to create your channel art, at the end of the day, when you upload it, you see that some things might not fit in. So all you need to do is go and resize it. Maybe the writing is too bold, then you go back to what you created, or go back to Canva, or go back to whatever app you use to create your channel art and resize the writings, shift or readjust the picture, the graphic, or maybe the illustration that you added. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, don't forget to give me a like, give me a love, ask question. If you have anything in mind or any video in mind, or something you want to learn, or you feel you want me to talk about, kindly ask in the comment section of this video, and feel free to share this video if you would. I so much love and appreciate you all. If you have not subscribed, click the subscribe button and click on the notification sign, the bell sign, so that you get notification on my latest video. The reason why you don't get notification is not only about hitting the subscribe button, but also click the sign, the bell sign, so that you get notification on our videos, be it on entrepreneurship, on YouTube channel, on starting a POS business, creating so many stuffs from liquid soap, the hand sanitizer, face mask, and so on and so forth. So we are all about entrepreneurship, and we also help you to convert your knowledge into profitable business on the internet. So don't forget to hit the like button, and until I come your way in my next video, do have a wonderful day. Bye.